Psalm 130. Out of the depths have I cried unto thee, O Yahuwah. Yahuwah, hear my voice. Let thine ears be attentive to the voice of my supplications. If thou, Yah, shouldest mark iniquities, O Yahuwah, who shall stand? But there is forgiveness with thee, that thou mayest be feared. I wait for Yahuwah. My soul doth wait, and in his word do I hope. My soul waiteth for Yahuwah more than they that watch for the morning. I say, more than they that watch for the morning. Let Israel hope in Yahuwah, for with Yahuwah there is mercy, and with him is plenteous redemption. And he shall redeem Israel from all his iniquities.